Oh, thanks, Barry.
No problem. How's the family?
Everyone's good, you know. My husband's back in Texas on base and training, and Emily's, she's okay.
Good.
Hey, can I ask you something? Emily got a package yesterday from the family of the kid who killed Maya St. Germain. Should I be worried that they have our address?
They shouldn't be contacting you at all. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, please. This kind of thing's much more his territory than mine.
If you want, we can ask that his family send any future correspondence directly to us. Let us run interference.
Thanks. I'll think about that.
Hey, you seen Spencer? No, not since this morning. My mom said she bailed on her study group. She just walked out of class.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, what are you doing here?
Can I see you for a moment?
Sure, what's going on? Is everything okay?
Okay. I don't know. You tell me. Why was Spencer talking about Maggie?
What?
She said that I have a son. Why would she say that?
Can we just talk about this?
We're talking about this right now.
Ezra, please.
You've been holding on to this since my birthday.
Ezra,
so
let me
you and my brother just sat there watching me blow out candles, and you couldn't find a way to tell me this?
I was scared
of
what it might do to us. And then Maggie showed up, and I thought that she was going to tell you. And when she didn't tell you, I didn't know.
Maggie hasn't been a part of my life since high school. I see you every day, Arya. You. You are the person I'm spending my life with. You are the person I'm supposed to trust.
You're right.